Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Preeti Santosh Kolpe. I am lecturer from Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and the Research for Girls. So, today we will discuss on the topic advertisement or advertising. After watching this video, learner will be able to know the what is mean by advertisement and what is mean by advertising. Various objectives and functions of advertisement. Learner will be know the classification of advertisement, that is different medias of advertisement. First, we will see the meaning of advertisement. From Latin word adverter, to turn the attention of people to specific things. Advertisement is a form of communication. Advertisement represent the message or ideas of the sender. Advertisement is a combination of creativity, market research, and economic media buying. Advertisement is a powerful communication medium and vital marketing tools to help sale of goods. Advertisement is targeted at a mass audience. In short, advertisement is the art used to familiarize the public with product by informing its description, use, price, its superiority over the other brands. Various objectives of advertisement, like advertisement create a demand for new product, advertisement maintain the existing demand of the product, advertisement enlarge the market of the product, advertisement increases the sales, advertisement helps the salesman, advertisement educate the people about the applications and the use of products, advertisement improve the goodwill of the manufacturer, advertisement helps the manufacturer in facing competitions, advertisement warn the customer about the imitations, advertisement reduce the number of salesmen and to establish the direct link between the producer and customers. Then various functions, significance or the importance of advertisement. It encourages the prospective buyers to purchase the product. It educates the people about the product or service. It reduces the number and responsibilities of salesmen. It reduces the seasonal fluctuations in the demand of the product. It creates the job opportunities. It helps to introduce the new product in the market. It may remove the middleman. It increases the goodwill of the organization. It helps in increasing the growth of the organization. It is the tool of sales promotion. Then what is meant by advertising? Advertising is defined as the sum totals of all the activities involved in presenting to a group a non-personal, oral or visual, openly sponsored message regarding a product, service or ideas. There are a n number of medias for advertising, like the print media or the press advertising. It consists of the newspaper, magazines, trade journals, pamphlets, then audio advertising, audio-visual advertising or the audio-visual medias, for example, television, film presentation, outdoor advertisement, email advertising, personal contacts and the window displays. Then we will see the classification of advertisement. First one is the outdoor advertisement, second one is the indoor advertisement, third one is the non-product advertisement, then radio advertisement, fifth one is the TV commercial, sixth one is the national advertisement, seventh one is the international advertisement, eighth one is the retail advertisement, 9 is the classified advertisement, 10 the local advertisement, 11 brand advertisement, 12 covered advertisement, 13 celebrities advertisement, 14 broadcast advertising, 15 surrogate advertising, 16. Online advertising. 17. Public service advertising. 18. Professional advertising. 19. Online advertising. First one, outdoor advertisement. In that, billboard and messages painted on the side of buildings are common form of outdoor advertising, which is often used when quick, simple ideas are being promoted. Second one is the indoor advertising. In that, this kind of advertisement provide the best opportunity of putting over a reasoned selling argument. The advertisements are addressed to the reader, listener, and viewer at a time of leisure when he or she can observe the message. Third, non-product advertisement. Advertisement exists to sell something to an audience, but they don't always features a product to sell. When a business tries to promote an idea that it considered important, it's engaging in a type of marketing known as non-product advertising. Non-product advertising is also used by the various groups to promote public awareness of issues or programs. Fourth one, radio advertisement. It is a small business advertising. Radio advertising can be very effective means to attract the customer to some business. Fifth one, TV commercial. It is generally considered the most effective mass marketing advertising format as is reflected by the high prices. TV network charge for commercial airtime during popular events. Then sixth one is the national advertisement. In that, geographically speaking, national advertising range is extended to the territorial limits of the country. The advertiser use the national media to inform the consumer about the product. The advertiser use the national, local or regional language but prefer the national language. It can be available in everywhere of country and easily purchased it. Seventh one is the international advertising. Advertising a product or service in a country other than where it originates. Eighth one is the retail advertisement. Emphasizes the specific retail outlet as the place to buy a specific range of a brand. It can be local store advertising in local newspaper. Then classified advertising. Ninth one is the classified advertisement. It is a product or services advertising that appears in a specific sections of newspaper under the heading classifying the product or service being offered. Then 10 is the local advertisement. Any advertising placed by the company, organizations or individual operating in a limit geographical area such as the city or within a state. 11. Brand advertising. It is a advertising with a strong emphasis on the company brand for or logo and or company name, also known as integrated marketing communications IMC. 12 is the covert advertising. Covert advertising is a unique kind of advertising in which a product or a particular brand is incorporated in some entertainment and media channel like the movies, television shows or even sports. 13. Celebrities advertisement. In that, although the audience is getting smarter and the modern day consumer getting immune to the exaggregated claims made in a majority of advertisement, there exist a sections of advertisers that still bank upon celebrities and their popularity for advertising their products. 14. Broadcast advertising. Broadcast advertising is a very popular advertising medium that constitutes of several branches like the television, radio, or the internet. Television advertisements have been very popular even since they have been introduced. The cost of television advertising often depend on the duration of advertisement, the time of broadcast, prime time or the peak time, and of course the popularity of the television channel on which the advertisement is going to be broadcasted. 15. Surrogate advertising. Surrogate advertising is prominently seen in cases where advertising a particular product is banned by law. Advertisement for products like the cigarettes or alcohol which are injurious to the health are prohibited by the law in several countries, and hence these companies have to come up with several other products that might have the same brand name and indirectly remind people of the cigarettes or beers bottles of the same brands. 16. Online advertising. Online advertising is the newest and the fastest growing way to advertise. The internet now provides everything from link on a sites to banner to small advertisement on sites to pay per click advertising. 17. Public service advertisement. In that, the same advertisement techniques used to promote the commercial goods and services can be used to inform, educate, and motivate the public about the non-commercial issues such as HIV, AIDS, political ideology, and energy convergence. Professional advertising. 18 is the professional advertising. Advertising directed towards professionals such as the doctors, dentists, and pharmacists, etc., who are in a positions to promote product to their patients or customers. Then various advantages of advertisement. From the above discussion, we get the idea about the advertisement, its advantages like advertisement help to introduce the new product in the market. Advertisement increases the prospective buyer to purchase product. Advertisement helps to expand the market. Advertisement increases the sales. Advertisement helps to overcome competitions. Advertisement helps in increasing the growth of company. Then advertisement may remove the middleman. It increases the goodwill of the manufacturer. It is a source of income to newspaper, television channels. It develops the relationship or communication between the manufacturer and customers. It assists the salesman. It educates the people about the product and services. It keeps the demand of product in constant way. Then from the above discussion, we get the idea about the advertisement disadvantages. Like it increases the cost of the product. Sometimes it creates an artificial demand of the product. It leads to monopoly of the product. Some advertisement mislead the society. Sometimes meaning of the word, photographs, sources, scenes may be harmful to the morality of the society. A large amount is invested before sale of the product. This is the disadvantages of advertisement. So thank you very much.